I'm Everard Munting. I'm Secretary of EUROSPINE, the Spine Society of Europe, now almost for the 3 last years. During my term in office, I was mostly involved in organizational issues regarding certainly the organization of the society in connection with the plan that we built up over the last years, and especially starting in 2013. That led to a better structuring of the society regarding its officers, but also of the administrative team. Therefore, we built up a new organigram, which was organized with the presidential line, including, of course, the president, the vice president, and the past president, helped by the treasurer with his assistant treasurer and the secretary. Regarding our main activities, we have divided all the activities in different councils that are responsible for this, each council chair being member of the ExCom, and that involves, of course, the membership council, the stakeholders council, the education council, and the research council, where in each of these we have all the different committees that are active in the relevant activities for that. On the administrative side, we are now implementing business rules, as in any big company, and with a precise duty description for each collaborator in order to come to a better organized structure. We have also the help of Beat Leinbacher, who is a representative to the ExCom, and that helps us in improving our organization in our daily practice. We'll go on then. Another very important aspect in the work that we did over the last year was to reorganize our relationship with the foundation of the society. Indeed, it was decided to take back the education directly into the society for more efficiency and easier contact between our members or stakeholders and the education committee. And therefore we must also redefine exactly the goals and the targets that we are trying to aim with having a foundation in the society, and this is work that we will try to finish for the next annual meeting in Copenhagen. Another part of my activity is my involvement in the Spine Tango project, for which before I was secretary, I was the chair of that committee, which is now Tim Piggott. The Spine Tango is steadily growing over the years. In 2014 we had the chance that we could also get all the data from the Schultes Clinic with the COMI, the patient assessment of their situation before and after treatment, which increases dramatically the number of cases that we have in the Tango. Our current activity is the improvement of the data form for the surgical procedures, which will hopefully be finished for January 2016. And we are implementing the data form for the conservative treatments that some centers will utilize in the future. Furthermore, we have organized a users meeting that is to be held in Bern on the 9th of October 2015. To listen to our users and to implement their desires and suggestions also in the new forms that we are preparing. Another very important activity that was published in the yearly report are the different benchmarks that we are producing over various pathology. For the moment it involves lumbar spinal stenosis, for which we have now a very nice benchmark showing all the results pooled from the different centers that are participating with to the Spine Tango, and the same has been done also for cervical disc pathology, where this benchmark is also written down. But of course this project has to be extended to other diagnoses and even repeated for the same diagnosis over the years, in order to bring more and more evidence of what is the best treatment for a given condition. So this is a long-standing project that will improve and progress over the years, and hopefully with more and more participants to the Spine Tango.